Okay, I've just boiled a banding here of maple, and I've got, this is a number 4 shaker oval box, and so this, try to get around this molding here, molder, or whatever you call it, mold, without any cracks. That went well. Now I've got to release and get this back underneath there, and that's feathered out at the end, so it's very thin at the end. And I want to close this up now as good as I can get it, and I'm going to stop there, and I'm going to mark where the end of the banding is, and now I need to release this from the mold and put it back where it is here, and tack and do the tacks. Now this, it cracked a little bit down here at the bottom, but I'm going to be able to fix that. So I'm putting that back where that mark, where my pencil mark is, and now I want to do the tacking. I'm going to pull the bench out, so hopefully I can get that. There. Okay. Hopefully that sound is back. And I'm holding this where that pencil mark is. And I've got to get the tacks down. And these are number 2 copper tacks. There's a little split there, but I'm going to be able to fix that with glue. That won't be a problem. And let me get a couple of these things in here. Those copper tacks are just long enough to bend over a little bit when it hits that pipe, so it clinches the 2 pieces. Oh, man. All right, now there's another row of these. I can't release any one of those fingers. If I do, then they'll split in between, and I don't want that to happen. this is maple. Number 4 size. The shakers numbered these things. So now I got to get the tacks in the very ends of these fingers. Without trying to hit the end of my finger there. It's pretty tricky. Ah, that's good. Now I can get this last one there. Now I've got to put this back into the dryers, and I'm going to move the bench again. Back to maybe about where it was. Okay, here are the dryers for the number 4. And there's a bevel, a 10-degree bevel there, so it acts like a cork. Got to get it started in here. There it is. There it started. I'm not going to pound that too hard. That's closed up everything there, so that's good. And then the dryer on the other end. By the way, maybe you can see the bent over tacks here. So this needs to sit in these dryers a couple days before pulling it out of the dryer. Oh, that's very close. I almost had it. There, I think I got it this time. Yes. Yeah, that's closed up pretty well. And I'll be able to glue that little piece right there down. I'll do that later after it dries a little bit. So that's looking good. And so that'll have to sit like that for a couple days. Now I just did a cherry. This is a number 3 size. Or, yeah. No, this is a number 4, yeah. And this is a number 3. And then I've got, this is a one that I'm finishing right now, which is the next size down. I've just got some shellac on that. Tomorrow I'll be able to rub that out. The top for that now is this one, and it'll go like that. Rub that out tomorrow. That's walnut, and then some Monterey pine. So there's all styles and shapes of these things. and they're fun to do. So I'll work on then the top has a thin banding that will fit around this, and that'll be dried as well.